Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to jailbreak a cloud-locked iPhone when forgot password. Buying a second-hand iPhone that is still locked with the iCloud activation lock can be incredibly frustrating. Some users may consider jailbreaking as a solution to unlock it, but the question remains, can the locked iPhone really be jailbroken? In this video, you can get the answer. First of all, connect the iPhone to the computer. Then make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Okay, you can go to iSendShare.com. And download iBypass Genius. After downloading, install it on your computer. Okay, now open iBypass Genius. Choose Bypass it to proceed. Read the agreement items and warning items. Click the Start button to go ahead. The Create Fake Apps option is checked by default. Then follow the steps to put the iPhone into DFU mode. See, the software is jailbreaking the iPhone. Wait for a while and repeat the operation. Soon, the software starts bypassing the activation lock. Congratulations! The activation lock is bypassed and you can set up the iPhone with your Apple ID. That's all for the video.